goes again. This time, it's almost out of here. What a shot by Saurabh Tiwari.
This is a very good platform. Oh, the pitch there should be taken. Yes, it is. Kunj Sharma taking the catch. Quick Yorker. This time once again. Is it going to be 6? Yes, it is. That's once again another maximum in this over. Rohan Raje once again. This is slower ball. Smacked over. And it's maximum. My God, 3 sixes in this over. This time it is Jitesh. We have to wait and see. Is it going to be 6? Is it going to be 6? Yes, it is. Oh my God, this is the 4th 6 for Jitesh. No, just fell short and boundary. Just fell short. I guess he's well set over there. Also, chance of a wicket over there. Let's see whether it's taken. Yes. Yes, it is taken. What a game we are having here. This time, wonderful shot. And he's out. And this time, once again, is it going to be out? Saurabh Tiwari. And get out. 3rd wicket in this over. My God, what is happening? To be Pradeep Sangwan. Straight down the ground. And one more wicket down.
M. Nidish of Reliance won the man of the match here after Reliance won scored an 11-run victory over IOC to get off to a winning start in the GCL 3.
Final of under 19 Cricket World Cup against Australia recently. This time Manjot Kaldra going straight up in the air. It will clear the boundary and the crowd is enjoying it. 6 runs. More chance to Kaldra to face more and more deliveries. And it's gone this time. This is the opportunity to feeder for. This time again he had got Jazz, but this time no feeder down there. And will get a boundary. 4. That is a movement. And it's clean bowled. Guru Kiran Singh on strike. Well played shot, no chance. The feeder down there will get boundary for it. Failed to show quite early this time. Can he get all of it? Yes, he will finally. Some joy to enjoy for GMR Group. And they will be happy as boundary after a long time. He goes, he was trying to go again. This time he misses it, but the feeder is down there. And he's gone, I think. Catch number 4. Shot delivery and straight away 6 runs. So YNGC doing balle here. This time with the bat. Absolutely no chance. The feeder down there. This time straight down the ground. Absolutely stunner by Om Bosley. What kind of a shot! And it's a maximum! And this time he's gone. Excellent delivery, straight down the ground once again. And even fielder can't do anything. 1-1-4 for 2, can he finish it off? Yes, they will. That's the match, that's the result. ONGC thrashing GMR Group by 8 wickets in this match number 4 of Goa Corporate League 2018.